Hello everyone, this is Mohit Sharma and you are on Third Dimension Knowledge Group. So today in this tutorial we're going to discuss about how to rename and select multiple objects inside of Maya. Now first of all, let me remind you, I'm making this tutorial for the tip of the day segment of this Third Dimension Knowledge Group inside of Facebook. Now in this group we used to share a lot of things about the 3D application and the new techniques, and a lot of people used to share their work also. As you can see, Vikas Nagolkar, he's showing his car explosion test he made inside of Max and Fusion, and I'm talking about tip of the day, Adobe Photoshop, levels, and a lot of things. Make sure to visit this group. So we're going to learn how to rename and select multiple objects inside of Maya. Now this thing can also be done with the help of Mel script also, but we will learn how to use the input box over here in the status bar. So first of all, let me collapse some of them so that we can have more space to work with. Now I'm working on this Lamborghini model, and the car is made by my friend Vinod Rotela. Now in this scene I have a group called Rim. Now let me isolate it. Now in this group I have some objects which are randomly renamed. If I press Ctrl A and open the outliner, you will see the name of the object is P stands for polyplane 43, 44, 45, 47, and likewise. So I want to rename all of them at once. So how I can do this with the help of input box? So just select the rename option and select all of the objects and say rim part and just press enter. Now you will see Maya automatically renamed all of the objects in the scene and in a particular sequence. Now the name of the object is rim part 1, rim part 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it is very important to rename all the objects in the scene before starting the texturing, or if you want to make some connections in the connection editor, if you want to apply some keys on a particular objects, and it is very important to have your objects renamed if you want to transfer your objects from one application to another application. So that's it. So this is the way how you will rename the multiple objects inside of Maya. Now we will learn how to select multiple objects inside of Maya. Now in my scene, I know that I have some objects with the initials rim part. So now I want to select all of the objects with the initial rim part. Now how I can do this with the help of input box? I have to shift from rename option to select by name option, and I will say rim part and the asterisk key. Now this asterisk key defines that there can be anything after rim part. Okay, so if I press enter, Maya will select all of the objects in the scene with the initial rim part. So that's it. That was the tip of the day. I will just keep this small and neat and tidy. So I will see you next time in the another tip of the day. And be sure to visit Third Dimension Knowledge Group and start posting and start discussing. That's it. Thanks and have a nice day.